Hello everyone. It's really early in the morning, but I got hiccups. Apparently they're gone now that I'm talking. So wonderful. I was gonna give what the public ordered. They were like, give us more hiccup videos. Like 3 people. But apparently my hiccups are camera shy. Very sorry. I got up for nothing. It's like hot up here in my room. Got all my stuff back there. I reorganized everything since like forever. This is the worst hiccup video ever. I'm so sorry. Man. I woke up and I had to go to the bathroom. So I went, and then as I'm coming up the stairs, I'm like, hip, 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 hip. And right before I started the video, I hiccuped once, and I started it, and now it's gone. I'm so sorry. Wow. I guess I'll talk for a little bit. I guess one of the things I've been thinking about a lot is I've been playing a lot of Professor Layton lately. And I'm trying to figure out who the heck Descole is. Because I know he's not in, like, future games, like, you know, I actually have him up here. He's not in Diabolical. It's hard pointing when you look at Diabolical Box or Unwound Future. I also have I have the first one. Forget what it's called right now because it's 3 in the morning. I have a headache now. But, he's not in those. And the first time I saw him, it was in one of the past ones where it's like younger Luke. It was in Last Spectre. And I have played all of them, and I have seen the movie. Stroke it. But, I'm wondering, I actually wrote stuff down as theories. I know the next game, there's like a girl from the Azran Society, if I'm correct. I'm probably not correct. But I'm wondering if he's like an Azran or something. He could be like an old friend, a researcher gone mad with like, oh my god, I gotta find all this stuff. I wrote down immortal, and I don't know if he would be immortal or not. He's definitely an archaeologist of some, like, you know, he did find a lot of stuff. He learned to fight, which is seen at the end of the, Miracle Mask game. I was just watching it before I went to bed. That song theme at the end with saxophones in my head. He could have been a classmate of Professor Layton when he was in school somehow. I'm not entirely sure. That's how he could have found out about Randall and everything. Someone related to the enemy. Oh, no, I wrote Emmy. Like, maybe he's, like, they're both not in future games. I'm also wondering about that guy with the sunglasses and the beardy beard. He has a mustache and a beard. He has a goatee. Who's with the police force. It reminds me of a book I read recently called Night Runner, where this evil guy was supposed to be with the police, and he got the police to do whatever he wanted, but it turns out he was good in the end, but, it's interesting to me. I saw a preview where Emmy was all, was getting Luke and holding him, like, hostage or something. I'm weirded out. I'm not entirely sure. I don't want any spoilers for the new game, because there are videos like, who is Descole? And I'm like, don't tell me. Please don't tell me. I'm just saying my theories. But the things we do know is I have seen, like, he does have the gray things on his side, but he has brown hair peeking out, like, right in the back here. He's skinny. And I'm wondering where he's from. I'm thinking French, but I'm not entirely sure. Because Descole just sounds French to me and my sister. Plus he wears all the frilly stuff and a cape. So I don't know. Well, I guess that's all I'm going to talk about. I'm going to thank my camera for securing my hiccups that I had for about 2 minutes before this. I am very sorry. I was going to make another hiccup video. I'm going to make people happy, but no, my camera and my hiccups don't cooperate with each other. So, I guess that's it. I have a couple op art balls and a puzzle ball, the blue one. That's pretty much it. It is 3:30, if you can see that. It's also over there with a nightlight and a ladybug. Everyone have a wonderful weekend. As I said in my previous video, I'm probably going to post this right now at 3:30 in the morning. My hair's all curly for no reason. And Kayla's not here. I share a room. She just disappeared. Sleeping on the sofa for some reason. It's because it's hot up here and it's cooler down there. So I got my own room for a night. I'm gonna party and get more hiccups and try to film them, but it's not gonna work. Alright, see you soon or something. Bye. Button.